Okay, today's the day we figure out what's wrong with our little engine. So we're going to tear it apart. Suspecting crank connecting rod bearings, but I'm not sure. We don't know.
I'm not sure.
Tyler, what do you think?
I think it's crank bearing, but I want to make this a little bit interesting. You want to put a little wager on this?
Oh, sure. I'll bet you some cash.
What do you want? I think, how about this? We throw 20 bucks down right here on connecting rod bearings. What are you thinking? Are we tying? We're both thinking it's connecting rod bearing or what?
Yeah, I think it's a connecting rod bearing for sure.
Why don't we split them? Why don't we split them? You take.
Yeah, I want number 5 for sure.
Well, that's not fair.
Okay.
Odds and evens, I guess.
Okay.
Draw straws. No. Rock, paper, scissors.
Good old rock. I take 1, 3, 5.
Okay, I get 2, 4, 6.
We'll update you.
And we'll update you as we take it apart and find some carnage. Let's go. Alrighty, so here's here's what the motor looks like right now. We didn't make it very far. We started on the
pan is still on.
Yeah, oil pan still on. Drained the oil. Didn't see any discoloration, which was a little. We were expecting a little bit of flakes.
I've never heard of a V6 failing quite this way yet, but let's have a look. So you can see number 6 cylinder. The top of the rocker there, the push rod is like protruding.
Yeah, you can
right
clearly
through, so
see
the rocker's broken.
The rocker's broken. That rocker arm should look like this with that little. See that little ball right there? That push rod should be riding in there. You can see where it's pushed through.
It blew right through.
As you can hear, got a little bit of a noise there. So I think we had a winner on the guess. I think we had Marissa's Uncle Mike guess that it was a push rod, and we didn't know. This was totally fixable at the track, but we didn't have parts. So looks like the good news is this will become our spare engine if we don't find anything in the bottom. We're still going to tear it down and see what happens, but as of now, this is a major setback, or it was a major issue. That's probably what ended our day. So, alrighty, guys. Good news is the piston's all right. The head's all right. Because we think we have that secret project we talked about the other day might get these heads donated to it. We're not sure. It might not now. Considering this might be a good spare engine, we thought it was a total loss, but we're still going to keep tearing it down. But at this point, it looks like that was our only. So
far, so good.
So far, so good. That was our only issue. So we'll update you as we go. Alrighty.
Okay.
We're back.
As you see, we got the oil pan off, and all the caps are tight. So the connecting rods, bearings are all good. Everything's good. Now the only thing we have to settle is what to do with this bet money. And I guess, although I don't even know you, Uncle Mike, apparently you win this. So come get your 40
Come
bucks.
collect your 40 bucks. You're the only one to call a push rod. Although, technically, it was not a push rod. So maybe we get to keep the money.
Yeah,
I think we're going to put this back into,
maybe we'll put some goodies into the truck with the money.
Comment below what we should spend our 40 bucks on. I think it's donated to the cause because that rocker arm failed. But good news, bad news situation. We didn't have parts with us, so we don't feel that dumb. A little bit of carnage info for you here. A little bit better of a view. Lifter checked out A-OK. Could have been an easy fix.